Y'all come along the ForestApps Road with us this week. We had a super day today. All the guys were able to cut a tree. We had 3 or 4 large hardwoods and some smaller ones. And we got them all laid down for the piles for the next couple of days here. Will work like storm situations. So the guys did a great job. We had one tree had probably about 5 feet of back lean. They were amazed to be able to take that back over, and some pretty good side leans. Really paid close attention and been able to work things out. So looking forward to some pressures and binds, and then we're going to start doing some presentations. So today, day 3, we stayed inside till about lunchtime, going down through planting processes on horizontal and hung trees. And then we worked on some reduced downtime, maintenance check on the saws, getting their equipment ready for tomorrow. They'll be working with those on bucking and limbing, getting all of the storm situations cleared up. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. So tomorrow it's pressures and binds and spring poles and hangers. And I had set up some piles for the guys. One of them was a hanger that we had the day before, and so they had to work a little bit to get that one down. I had 2 other large hardwoods on the hillside that we worked on to try to get the pressures out of those. And then we came back to the classroom. We started going down through what should actually be in their training program. You know, we kind of outlined as to if you had 45 minutes that you were going to be able to spend passing information to someone, what topic would you start with? Then the guys started in their teams putting together an outline and some training ideas to put across tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to be actually doing presentations, so the guys will be taking those topics and putting them in a little bit of training format, so that'd be pretty cool.
Coming from the bottom of a log, you're going to be getting pushed back. Coming from right here from the top of the log going down, you're going to get pulled to the piece of wood. Right here on your top of your tip is going to be where your kickback comes from, and down here is where you're going to want to start at. And the 4 different points might not sound like much, but the biggest thing is being ready for what that saw is capable of doing using those points.
Hope to see y'all somewhere along the ForestApps Road.
I'm coming home.